Now, today, we have this grail at a planetary level. Today, we have the masculine stone as the entire Himalayas. We have the feminine stone as the entire Andes, and we have the central stone as Portugal. And curiously, and I always tell this to people just to see that this is not by chance, but by design. If you draw a line from Lhasa in Tibet to Portugal, and then you draw another line from Machu Picchu to Portugal, the distance is exactly the same. So the two polar stones, the Himalayas and the Andes, and exactly in the middle, you have the central stone, that is Portugal. What this means is that the work that Serapis Bey has created in Egypt now will be developed in a planetary way. It will be the entire planet will be that grail. And the descent of the Christ through that central stone, so that the sacred alchemy could happen, and generating the Holy Spirit or love that will irradiate it by the entire planet.